and we shall begin, right? So this is the next part of the respiratory system, right? We talk about the respiratory system here. So a quick thing about respiratory system, they like to ask about air, right? So over here on the right hand side we have the composition of air. Can you tell me what is the composition of air? That means how many percent is like your oxygen? 21, right? You can see over here 21%. Then the majority, the blue color, what is that? 70%. Nitrogen. Okay, very good. How about carbon dioxide? Do you know the percentage? Yeah, you don't need to memorize that. I'm just asking, right? So in case, if you know, that's great. It's about 0.04%. Okay, so obviously inhaled air will have different composition as compared to exhaled air, right? As you can see over here, that's what the question is asking us, right? So fill in the blanks with the correct guess. Is it A, B, C, or D? Which one is nitrogen? Which one do you think is nitrogen? Do we need to use nitrogen, the human body, right? So what do you think is nitrogen? Yep, C, because it remains the same. Then how about the next one? Which one is oxygen? Do you think the human body uses oxygen? Yes, yeah. So which one is oxygen? Okay. Huh? A. Inhaled air got less than exhaled air. D, that's right. Very good. Next. Okay, so next, a typical kind of question with 4 tubes. Which tube would there be the highest increase in carbon dioxide after 6 hours? So we want the most amount of carbon dioxide. Which one do you think is the answer? Yep, that's correct. Let me step it down. Okay, so tube S. Tube S. Okay, so explain your answer. So first of all, tube S, it has water snail. Okay, so it has water snail as well as plants in the duct, which will both respire and give out carbon dioxide. Give out more carbon dioxide than the other tubes. Okay, so well, the key idea is that it's in the duct. So the plant, can the plant photosynthesize? Here, no. But the rest, it can, right? Because of the presence of sunlight. Now, where does it get its carbon dioxide from? The plant. Where does the plant get the carbon dioxide from? The snail, okay? The dissolved carbon dioxide, which is inside the water. Okay, it gets it from there. Okay, next. Okay, so Yanni lowered a empty glass in the container as shown. Alright, and okay, so what happens here is that there's a piece of paper, right? The paper was glued inside it remains dry. That means the water didn't go in. Why is it that the water didn't go in? Why didn't the water go in? If you lower the whole thing. Yeah, very good, right? So it's about air occupies space. So the air, the glass occupies space, which did not allow more water to enter. Okay? So some of the water actually entered because the air was removed, but because air occupies space, it's metal, metal occupies space, so more water cannot enter it. Okay, more water can enter it. Next one. Why a person cannot remain in a glass container for a long period of time? I'm not sure if anybody actually did this, but why? How come? It's simple, right? What will run out? You see this person stuck inside there?
No oxygen.
Yep, very good. Okay, what's the percentage? 21. So the person will use up all the oxygen that is inside the glass container after some time. Okay, because there's only 21% of it. It's only 21% of it. Anywhere, right? So the key idea is that everywhere there's air, it's only 21% oxygen. Okay, next. Okay, solution X is orange in color. Oh. So, which test tube ABCD will solution X turn yellow after 2 hours? Okay, what's so special about solution X? It's orange. So it will turn yellow when there's more carbon dioxide than air. So we want to find out which one will have more carbon dioxide than air. More carbon dioxide than air. Snails, hydrilla, snails and hydrilla. Black paper contains hydrilla, contains water only. So they were in the sun, right? I think A is definitely going to have more carbon dioxide, right? How about another one? D also, right? So A and D. Okay, so sorry? C don't have because there's hydrilla and it's not being, I mean it's exposed to sunlight, so it can photosynthesize. So it's just A and D. Right, so answer is A and D. Oops. A and D. So explain your answer. So test tube A contains only snails, which will the oxygen give out. Then test tube D right, it's a bit lengthy, right, but it's 2 marks, so we're able to explain it. Right, A and D. So A only has snails, and they will use up the oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, obviously, right? So test tube D. Oh, what's hydroplane? Hydrilla. It's not hydroplane. Alright, wrapped in the dark. Wrapped in the dark. It can only respire and give out carbon dioxide, and no photosynthesis takes place. Right, no photosynthesis is taking place there. Hydroplane. Okay, now how about the rest? If you look at the rest of the test tube, there's either photosynthesis going on, or the amount of carbon dioxide is not going to change, it's just going to remain the same, right, in the other test tubes. Okay, last question. What would be the color of solution X in E after 2 hours? It's E. So E only has water. E, it's only water. Is anything going to change? No. So what color is it going to be?
Orange.
Yeah, it's going to remain orange, right? It's orange. Why? So there are no plants or animals that will change the composition of it. Okay, so there's no plants or animals, nobody's going to change the composition of the carbon dioxide and oxygen in the setup. That's it. Okay? Alright, yeah, I think we can stop here for today.